Parliament is the law-making body of Namibia's legislature. It consists of two chambers. The National Assembly initiates and approves laws. It consists of 78 members, 72 of which are elected by parliamentary election. The other 6 are appointed by the President. The National Council advises the National Assembly on any required changes to subordinate laws that result from law-making in the National Assembly. It can be tasked by the National Assembly to perform other tasks. The National Council consists of 26 representatives of the regional councils. Every regional council in the 13 regions of Namibia elects 2 representatives. All cabinet members are members of the lower house. This situation has been criticized by Namibia's civil society and the opposition as creating a significant overlap between executive and legislature, undermining the separation of powers. The seniority of cabinet members generally relegate ordinary MPs to the back benches.